back to the channel. Back out here on this beautiful Monday. It is Martin Luther King Day, so shout out to Martin Luther King. So I want to show y'all what's going on. So I still have the Camaro. People have been asking about it. Yes, I still have it. Not gonna have it for long. Plan on getting rid of it, to be honest. Just ready to move on. But yeah, it runs, it drives, but I'm just over it. You know, that's just how it is. So I do still have it though. But today's project, I wanted to show y'all, so y'all can tell by the title, I have inherited a new project car. It's been in the family for a while, but it's just a matter of now it's like literally in my possession. So we're gonna get to work on it, but I'm gonna show you what it is. It's this one right here. So this is my dad's 1973 Corvette Stingray. As you can see, obviously it needs some restoring. It has a lot of work to do, but that's the fun part. So I just wanted to show y'all what was going on with it. I do plan to put it on the channel here and there. Kind of a personal project for me, so I'm not going to go too in depth with it, but you know, I just wanted to show you what it was. And I'll show y'all the transformation over time. So as you can see, it has, you know, the old 350 in it. I haven't heard this car start in a while. That's actually one of the first things we're going to do is get it running on its own power again. But from what I remember as a kid, this car was pretty loud. Had a nice little cam in it. Like it had that old school muscle car sound to it. Yeah, show you the inside. So this is what we got going on in here. It's a complete mess in here. It's dirty. It's been outside for the last 3 or 4 years. Don't mind the poison down there. That was to keep the rats away. But it's honestly not too bad. I've seen some of these cars in far worse condition. These are made out of fiberglass. So as far as the body, there is no metal in this. This is all fiberglass. Makes them very light. You know, when it came to pushing this car, it wasn't too hard because they're very light. The only thing that's metal is really the frame. But it's not like, you know, another car, like a newer car where the whole body is metal and the whole frame is metal. This is, the only thing that's metal would be the frame. The body itself is all fiberglass. So like I said, yeah, I got a little work to it, you know. Today I'm gonna go ahead and try to dust a little bit of it off, blow some of this stuff out, get up in here and blow some of this out, just to get some of the old branches and stuff that was on it and spider webs, trying to make sure there ain't no spiders in here. So I don't like spiders, I ain't gonna lie. I don't mind them, like I'm not terrified of them, but I don't want to be next to them either. But so far I've already collected a few parts for it. The field tank is in the back here. That's how you fill it up. So I got a new field tank over here in this box. I got a fuel filler, I think it is what it's called. I got some new straps for the tank. Let me show y'all the rear. Yeah. So I got a few things for it already. It really don't need much. I mean, interior wise, it's perfect interior. I think that part there is a little bit cracked in the middle. So if we can fix it, then we'll try to fix it. If not, we'll get another one. For all the Corvette enthusiasts, people know that those type of people would know that this car is technically fully loaded in a sense, because it has power windows, it does have AC, it is automatic. I know a lot of people like the 4-speed stick shift ones, but this one's automatic, which is cool. I don't mind it. Original seats in here, you know, leather's still good, no rips, no tears. This is really good leather. It's just dirty. As you can see, it's real dirty on that side. Door panels, obviously we need that. The dash isn't cracked, so that's good. It's just dirty. Windshield is good. Back window is also good. Looks like we just need these sills. I believe we already have most of the chrome stuff. The door handles, the key, need that, the emblems and stuff, but we'll get to all that after we do all the body work and stuff, of course. We're gonna try to get a lot of it done this year, you know, body work, like I said, get it running on its own, moving on its own again. The exhaust is kind of messed up. I don't know what exactly is going on with it, but it's all lopsided and stuff. Fix all that up. Taillights are good. Headlights are still good. I think the only thing I would do with these headlights is, I know these cars run off, well, they use vacuum pressure, I believe, from the motor to get these to pop up and everything. So I think, of course, now with the modern times, they have it where you can make it electric and just press a button, they'll flip up. So I'll look into that. Pretty sure we're going to have to go through the brakes. That's what I would do, because from what I've seen, the brakes look kind of rusted out. So I would probably replace all that. Calipers, rotors, new brake pads, stuff like that. And just make sure it stops, you know. That's all good stuff to do right now, you know, other than cleaning it up. And just quick little easy stuff to do, maintenance stuff. Change out the fluids, transmission, check out the diff, and we'll go from there. But I'm very excited for it. I'm just glad to see it in this condition. I mean, obviously it's not the best condition, but I'm glad to see it's not as bad as I thought it was. When we get it jacked up and stuff, you know, later on, we'll look under there, look at the bushings, look at the frame, you know, make sure no rusty frame. I doubt it. I'm sure there's gonna be some type of rust down there, but I don't think it's gonna be like bad where, you know, you can't even drive it anymore or nothing. So I ain't worried about it. But I just wanted to show y'all the new project. I mean, honestly, this car means a lot to me. You know, this is my dad's dream car, and anyone that knows me knows that I'm big on dreams. You know, I'm big on chasing your dreams. You know, my dad was a Corvette person. Anybody that knows me personally knows that I'm a Camaro person, but I love Corvettes. I love all cars, but as far as my dream car, you know, that was my dream car. At least one of them. I have a lot of dream cars, but I always wanted one of those Camaros. My dad always wanted one of these Vettes, and he got one. And, you know, I remember growing up seeing it, and just, you know, not seeing it like this, really. I don't really remember seeing it completely done up and everything. And, you know, I told him that I would restore it one day. You know, now things are a lot easier. We have so much technology, so much information out there. I mean, you look on YouTube alone, there's ways to show you how to pull out a motor, show you how to do body work. I mean, there's so much things you can learn nowadays, all at your fingertips. You just gotta look it up. So it's much easier now. So now I feel a lot more comfortable restoring it, you know, keeping it in the family. You know, me and my brother, and my nephews, and my sister, you know, we'll all get together and work it out, you know, do little by little. I don't expect it to be done anytime soon. It's obviously a project that's going to take time, but I believe all great things take time, to be honest. You can't rush it. And when you do rush it, things don't go good. So I don't even want to rush it, you know. I want to take my time, do little by little, you know, come up with a plan and just start checking things off little by little. That's all you can do. But yeah, I got a car cover for it. So it'll probably be covered up most of the time, other than when I'm working on it. But I just wanted to get on here and show y'all the new project, you know. Pretty much my first car. Well, something this old. This will be the first time working on something this old. You know, hopefully it'll be easier, because I feel like newer cars are harder to work on than older cars. But we'll find out. We'll see. So I just wanted to tap in with y'all. Thank y'all for watching. You know, thank you for tapping in with me. We still going towards a goal this year, getting 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe, and keep up to date with me. You know, posting car content as much as I can. We're gonna keep it going all 2026. Let's go.